Hello and welcome to Ijama Simon's channel. On this channel, we shall be looking at various life issues and challenges. You hear people say that life is not fair. But what if I tell you that life actually gives to us what we allow? Stay tuned because we shall be unveiling the mysteries of life and how we can overcome these challenges just by our attitude and the way we address it. And of course, not leaving out our faith, which is the most important of all. Come along and ride with me on this journey. Just follow me, click on subscribe button, and then like this video and get ready to hit the notification button so that once a video is posted, you'll be the first to know. Welcome to this channel. It promises to be exciting. I love you. See you on my next video.